Hey folks, Alex here, Director of Web Engineering, and I'm going to be taking you through the core updates that have happened since the last changelog. There's been a few releases, but here are the notable things to be aware of. In 11.2.2, we made S3 connection settings configurable via environment variables. This includes things like connection timeout. In 11.3.0, we introduced new retention settings for activities, revisions, and flow logs. These three system tables can become quite large, and now you can change how long they will be kept before being pruned. Earlier this year, we committed to providing security updates to Directus 10 until the end of the year. Make sure you upgrade to 10.13.4 if you're still on the version 10 family. The same patch has been included in the Directus 11 patch as well. That's all from me, handing back over to Beth now.
I'm going to demonstrate each of the extensions new in Directus Labs this month. As a reminder, Directus Labs is our team's experimental org in GitHub, which regularly publishes new extensions. Here's a demo project to showcase what's new. The address completion interface integrates Google Place's autocomplete data API directly into the Directus editor. This improves data quality and stores data in a standard GeoJSON feature format. It also enhances user experience by speeding up address entry. You can swap between map tiles, or when setting up the interface, skip the map altogether. The tour group interface is one we are super excited about. You can set up guided tours around Directus Editor to help your content authors better understand your configuration. You can set up multiple with their own labels, but we've set up one here to demonstrate. As you see, it's a multi-step tour which moves between any of the interfaces in the UI. If we go to the interface settings, here you can see it's a group interface, so items which are children can be included in the tour. You can add any number of tour steps. We have to first specify any element to select. This extension injects a couple of classes for each field, one for the whole field, including label, and one just for the output. You can specify a title and description and other metadata for display. This is going to be so helpful when handing off your data project to end users. This is a choropleth panel. You've likely seen something like this before, where countries are highlighted more intensely based on the higher values. Here we have a views collection and a field called country, which contains a 2-letter ISO code. You can also use 3-letter or M49 country codes. Like many other panels, pick an aggregated field and function. Here we are counting the number of items with the country. We think this will be useful for understanding visitors and customer data based on country. The HubSpot API operation provides a way to interact directly with the HubSpot API from Directus Automate. Once you provide your API key with correct access, you can interact with a load of endpoints like contacts, deals, and emails. Once you select an endpoint, you have a number of suitable actions available. Here you can create, read, update, delete, or list your contacts. So this could be used to update a record whenever data changes in Directus, for example. We're really happy to be offering this extension to speed up integrations with your existing data sources.